Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change the data source in Looker Studio. So here I have a report, and as you can see, this is my data source. Okay, it's an Excel sheet for pivot table I was working on. Now to change it is very easy. Just come here, click on Edit Data Source. Okay, and then you press on this back arrow, and now we can add a data source. Just click on that. Come to my data sources. Of course, you can connect using any of these connectors they have. Okay. For example, if you wanted to get data from Facebook ads, Google Analytics, you can do that. I'll go ahead and use this one I already have. I'll click on that, click on add, and there you go. The data source is now being added. Just click on add to report. Okay, great. So it will be added. Now, if you want, you can remove this one. Okay. So all you need to do is click on edit data source. Click on this back arrow again. If you don't want it to confuse you, as you can see, it's not being used in the report, so it's safe to remove. Just click on remove. It'll warn you if it is being used. As you can see, it's not being used. We can remove this. There you go. Remove the data source, and it's done. Really that easy and simple.